Hi friends, I'm back for our next sound drill activity. Our friend Baby Echo was really sad that I did not include her in our last practice, so I will make sure she's here for this one. We are going to begin with rhyming. Today we will do just 2 words that rhyme when we hear 3 total words. So one of the words I'm going to give you is not the same as the other 2. To remind you, rhyming can be really tricky. When we are rhyming, we are listening for words that have the same sound at the end. For example, cat, bat. They don't begin the same, but they end with the same middle and final sound, at, k, at, b, at. So listen for the words that have the same ending sound out of my 3. Are you ready? Rip, tap, rap. Hopefully you said tap, rap. Only repeat the 2 that rhyme. Knot, nut, gut. Zip, pop, top. Will, yell, tell. Ran, fun, run. But, got, hot. Him, yam, ham. Sand, end, send. Roll, hill, sill. Map, lip, hip. All right, now we're going to work on the beginning sound fluency. You will hear 3 words and they will all begin the same. After you repeat my 3 words, tell me just the beginning sound all by itself. Ready? Win, wide, wall. Yes, yell, yak. Zip, zoom, zero. Ball, bug, bed. Dime, did, does. Food, feet, fish. Gap, go, gum. Nice job. Now we will be blending our syllables. To blend syllables, that means that we have to start with 2 syllables that are not already together. That's why we start with chops, and then at the very end, you will blend them by sliding your hand across. So if I say after, you will repeat that after, and then without my help, you'll blend after. Ready? Never. Clipper. Pillow. Destroy. Apple. Recent. Shadow. Last one, partner. Awesome. Now we are going to listen for that ending sound in our words. I will give you 2 words. You will tell me those 2 words again. You'll repeat them, and then you'll tell me just the ending sound all by itself. As always, if those ending sound punches really help you with this, definitely do that, okay? Week, take. And the ending sound? Mile, meal. 10, pain. Lip, cup. Was, quiz. Thank you. Coat, hat. Cave, move. Last one, fox, Box. Nice job. All right, now we will segment our syllables, the opposite of blending. So when we started before with chopping, that is the opposite. Now we're going to start with one word altogether, then we will chop it apart. So if I say dimple, then your job would be to repeat dimple and then chop it. Dimple. Ready for your first one? Bacon. Chop it. Good. Flower. Connect. Pedal. Music. Wallet. Last one. Singing. Did you remember to tell me how many syllables? Because I forgot to ask you to. Some of you maybe are really good at remembering how we do this. Sometimes even I forget. All right. Next up is adding syllables. Just 2 left to go. When we add syllables, remember we start with a small word or a root word, and then we add on to it. We use our hand motions to help us. So if I have a beginning part or a root word like storm, and I ask you to add ing, you repeat my word storm, add ing, you tell me storming. Are you ready? Wind. Add O. What'd you get? Yell. Add O. Pill. Add O. Gel. Add O. Last one. Fell. Add O. Some of these may have been repeated before, so that should help us also. Nice job, friends. And this last drill is going to be deleting our sounds, the exact opposite of what we did. So if I give you a word like window, and I ask you to break it apart, actually, we'll hold it like this, I guess. I was wrong. Window would be like this. Without O, what would we have left? Wind. All right, ready? Jumping. Take away ing. Picking. Take away ing. Fishing. Take away ing. Kicking. Take away ing. Last one, packing. Take away ing. All right, nice work.